Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's a tiny investor here, coming back with another video on the stash portfolio. We're just sitting under $786 this week with an overall return of 7.82%. Markets were closed yesterday due to President's Day, but we're coming back in it and we're going to try to make some gains. So let's invest these $26. Now, my strategy here with the $26 is that I added $10 more to the original strategy. So we're funding this account by $26 a week, and I'm putting that money into the 3 lowest returns or like highest negative returns in the portfolio on a week-to-week basis. So basically, we're just dollar cost averaging down the biggest losers of this portfolio and want to see if this can make me some money. Been doing it for the past 4 months and we're at 7.83%, so I think something's going good and we're going to start investing this money here. So we're going to go right into it. Defending America was down 0.94% this week from last week with an overall return of 11.61% according to my log that I did this morning. And since it's the biggest loser of the week, we're gonna give it $12 in there. Awesome. Now the second biggest loser of the week is gonna actually be the conservative mix. And this is its 2nd week in a row being on my top 3. Last week it actually didn't go negative. It was up 0.66%, but had such a good overall week last week that had to invest in something that actually went up. So we're going to throw some money into the conservative mix, and that's going to be $8. And then these are just like the names that Stash chooses to name these ETFs that it would like you to invest in. Like all these are going to be actual ETFs like in the stock market. So the conservative mix, if you were looking for it, the ticker name is going to be AOK. And Uncle Sam is going to be our 3rd place loser for the week with a negative 0.4% change from last week. And this is going to get the lowest amount of $5. And I've been throwing $1 in every week into Data Defenders just to fund this stock right here, because it's the newest one that I've added to the portfolio, and we're just trying to get it caught up to all the other ones as far as the investment value. So we're looking at some pretty good gains. After looking through the books, blue chips is by far one of the biggest returns over the last few months. At the beginning of October, I was actually only up 0.9% in blue chips. Now I'm up 16.3%, and I have actually not invested any money into blue chips besides the original money that I put in there, which was the $40, and then I think I added a dividend or 2 in there to get the 33 cents. But yeah, so the way that this works is every time I put $26 in, I can see that my overall return gets lower, because if this makes sense, I added money without adding a profit, so then the overall return is going to be slightly smaller. So since it's still growing as I'm adding money in, the account is actually pretty healthy. It is up over almost 2.5% in the last 2 weeks. Pretty proud of that. look at the balance history there. As you can see, the graph is starting to exponentially grow. Yes, I am putting more money in, but the return should hopefully be a lot more. And I'll stop rambling here. See if we got, yeah, so these are going to be the investments that we did. We put money into 4 different stocks today. And we got a dividend from the conservative mix on February 10th. Other than that, that was the last dividend that we got in this portfolio. And this is a dividend portfolio, so all of these stocks that I am holding in this portfolio do pay dividends. I know Uncle Sam and Slow and Steady will pay monthly. If you're into that, those are 2 stocks to look at if you have a stash account. But thank you for watching. Mike with the Mic, signing out.